Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely adorable reindeer with just a burlap banner section. We just used one piece. I can't wait for you to see this come together. I had a scrap wood piece and I am just covering it in a pretty plain scrapbook paper. You can use any scrap wood you have. You can also do this on a canvas. And if you don't want to Mod Podge scrapbook paper on it, you can also paint your wood piece as well. We're Mod Podging, get it all adhered down, wipe any glue off the edges, and you can paint the edges as well, but you're gonna see what I do here. These packs of pipe cleaners and little red balls actually came from Hobby Lobby. It comes with several pieces, so you can do this with a children's group or share with your friends. We are simply twisting some pipe cleaners together in little sections to create our antlers. Once we know how big our antlers are going to be, we're going to go ahead and glue down our banner. And I just glued down the two sides. This is going to allow us to tuck the antlers into the top of the banner, get them situated, and then we'll glue it all down and glue a little portion of the top banner down. For the nose, I actually had a glitter foam ball that I used here, but you could also use the red felt balls that come in the pack. Now you all know that I'm a fan of messy bows, and I thought this reindeer just needed a bow to make it adorable and fit my decor. I'm just taking some red and white polka dot ribbon, and then my white ribbon actually has white polka dots on it as well. And then to bring my turquoise or teal in, we're going to add some little thin ribbon at the top. Tie this all together in a messy bow, and we're going to adhere it to the top of her head. And you guys, you're going to absolutely love this. It's so cute. Check out how it's coming together, you guys. I was giddy excited about how adorable this piece was. I had some little wiggly eyes that we got from actually Dollar Tree, and so we're putting those on. And then I'm actually dry brushing some rouge on her cheeks just to give her a little bit of blush and make it adorable. Now I'm taking the red and white polka dot ribbon and I'm just adhering it to the edge. This is just gonna give it a little bit more character. You can paint the edges too. I thought she needed just a little bit more character, so I had these wooden snowflakes that we are covering in our teal color, and we're adding some glitter too, and we're going to put some at the bottom of the frame just to give it a little bit more character. Check her out, ladies. What do you think? I think she's absolutely adorable. This is a great project because it did not cost a lot of money and something that you can tailor to your own decor colors. If you love this DIY, please visit my website at theruffleddaisy.org. I have so much more cuteness over there with lots of DIYs, recipes, and inspiration to help make your home beautiful. Thank you so much for watching today.